Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am excited to show you how to create an outstanding resume by simply copy and pasting the content. This particular resume has been selected by the top companies, so there is no need to alter the format. And we will go to you step by step through the process. Ensure that your resume stand out or meet professional standards. Whether you are freshers graduate or looking for updating your existing resume, this video will provide you with the tips and trick to make your resume shine. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google, simply data analytics Google plus resume plus file type PDF. So also this keyword is also given in the description also. So simply copy and paste, and you want to change, then you can change the company name Google or Amazon or Facebook or anything you want to do. And here you can change the role also. Simply hit enter, and here all the examples are here. So simply I open this first link, and boom, this resume is ready. And you can see that in data analytics BI specialist, and here the phone number, LinkedIn, summary, experience, education, certificate, and all. So this trick is very useful. And also you can check these all are formatting based formatting way. Then Amazon or Google can select the resume also. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.